Hey there! Welcome back to Genius Junkie, your ultimate guide to all things Canva. Today, we're talking about how to stay on top of all the changes and updates in Canva. With new features rolling out regularly, it's important to stay informed so you can make the most out of your design experience. Let's dive in. Follow Canva on social media. One of the easiest ways to stay updated with Canva's latest changes is by following their official social media accounts. Canva is active on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, where they announce new features, tips, and even sneak peeks of what's coming next. By following them, you'll get real-time updates directly from the source. Plus, you might even find some inspiration for your next project. Subscribe to Canva's newsletter. Another great way to stay in the loop is by subscribing to Canva's newsletter. If you haven't already, head over to Canva's website and sign up. Their newsletters are packed with updates, design tips, and tutorials that can help you master new tools as soon as they're released. This way, you'll never miss out on any major changes or exciting new features. Join Canva communities and forums. Joining Canva communities and forums is also a fantastic way to stay updated. There are plenty of online groups on platforms like Reddit, Facebook, and LinkedIn where Canva enthusiasts share their experiences, ask questions, and discuss new updates. Being part of these communities allows you to learn from others and keep track of how new features are being used in real-world scenarios. Check out Canva's blog and help center. Don't forget to regularly visit Canva's blog and help center. The blog often features articles on new tools, design trends, and case studies, while the Help Center is your go-to resource for detailed explanations and tutorials on recent updates. Bookmark these pages and check back often to stay informed and enhance your skills. Watch YouTube tutorials and follow design channels. Finally, make sure to watch YouTube tutorials and follow design channels like Genius Junkie. We regularly create content about Canva's latest updates and how to use them effectively. By subscribing to channels like ours, you'll get step-by-step guides and creative ideas to help you integrate new features into your workflow. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. To sum it up, staying updated with Canva changes is easier than ever if you know where to look. Follow Canva on social media, subscribe to their newsletter, join online communities, regularly visit their blog, and of course, stay tuned to Genius Junkie for the latest tips and tutorials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more tips, and share it with your fellow designers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.